Hey guys, it's Jack here, and today me and my friend Ollie are going to be playing some Watch Dogs 2, and this is a 50 headset on a Xbox One, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy the game. Thanks for watching and